जय श्री राधे। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते कृष्ण बलराम स्वामी नामे श्रीला प्रभुपाद शिष्येषु केवलं व्रजवासिनं पाठभावन् सावधंसं हम संवन्तान्तकं नमः। We are reading from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, text number 8. The shloka is Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashishurayoho pranavah sarva vedeshu shabdakhe parusham drishu. Translation: O son of Kunti, I am the sapidity of water and the light of the sun and moon. I am the syllable Om in the Vedas and the sound in ether, as well as the potency in humans. Purport: Lord Krishna, who is Paramatma or Super Soul, enters into the universe and in the living entities simultaneously to maintain them as the universal Paramatma and the localized Paramatma respectively. Sometimes he enters as the cause and sometimes he enters as the effect in the living souls. He is present as the cause and in matter he is present as effect. In other words, Lord Krishna is the cause of the ability in people which is applied to matter to produce an effect. At the same time, Lord Krishna is the effect or light of the sun and moon, which is the result of his potency. Lord Krishna is thus demonstrating how the whole universal maintenance takes place. Lord Krishna is the essence of everything. For example, all the living beings depend on water, and Lord Krishna is present as its taste in quenching power. Lord Krishna explains about how he is present as essence in many things in this and the next three verses. One must surrender unto Lord at all costs to achieve the ultimate goal of human life, that is eternal bliss. So, as we can see here, the cause and effect. So, right now I am speaking here in Vrindavan where temperature is 6 degrees centigrade today. So, what is the cause behind this? So, can any human being claim that he has created an air conditioner because of which the temperature has dropped down to 6? It's not possible. It's beyond the capacity of humans. But here Krishna is claiming. So, behind all the causes, behind any effect that is seen, the cause is Krishna. So, this high temperatures, soaring temperatures up to 46 degrees centigrade, 47 degrees centigrade in summer, and this cold, severe chill cold, 6 degrees here in Vrindavan, and maybe even less in the northern hemisphere, Nordic regions. So the cause is Krishna, and the effect, we are simply seeing the effect of it. So we have to understand we are conditioned. The conditions are placed by Krishna, and He has put us in between such conditions. Someone's body may be conditioned and he can sustain more cold weather, whereas me being born in a tropical climate, I cannot actually sustain. It's very difficult for me to sustain in cold climates. But if there is a need, I will actually take it as a tapasya. Jai Shri Radha. Hari Bol. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi sasishurayoho प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दके पौरुषं ऋषु रसोहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशिशूरयोः. Prabhasmi Sashi and Surayoho. He says that my two eyes are Sashi and Surya. Sashi means the moon. See, we can see the moon here. It's a half moon. And we can see the sun right opposite, the rising sun. This is our temple. The rising sun, so bright. Jai Shri Radhe, so wonderful, Krishna's creation. Hari Bol.